Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about a strawberry sugar scrub using lime essential oil. Are you someone who likes skincare products that smell like fruit? The reality is that most fruity skincare products on the market are full of artificial fragrances and chemicals that trick your nose into thinking that it is the real thing when it really isn't. This DIY strawberry lime sugar scrub smells like a fresh strawberry jam and can be made at home in just a few easy steps. The ingredients are 1 cup of freeze-dried strawberries, 1 cup of raw turbinado sugar, 2/3 a cup of the doTERRA Fractionated Coconut Oil, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and 3 drops of doTERRA lime oil. The first step of the directions is that in a large plastic bag, you add the strawberries and crush them with a rolling pin. Again, make sure to use freeze-dried strawberries, not fresh. Step 2 is add the crushed strawberries and sugar into a large bowl. In the glass cup, add fractionated coconut oil, vanilla extract, and lime essential oil. Stir until combined and add that to the bowl with strawberries and sugar. Next, stir until everything is combined. If the mixture looks too dry, add 1 teaspoon of the fractionated coconut oil at a time until the consistency is just right. Next, store in an airtight container. And then lastly, to use, take a handful of the scrub into your hands and rub together until the sugar dissolves. Rinse under warm water and pat dry. For added softness, you can rub your hands with the doTERRA Spa and Hand Body Lotion, which is a good combo. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.